in the Northeast region. The Honorable Lady Chief Justice of Ghana, who is unable to be present today owing to inescapable engagement, sends her warm wishes to you all. She has asked me to perform this duty on her behalf so that the inauguration of the court is not further delayed. The establishment of the District Court, Nakpanduri, represents a significant step forward in our mission to ensure that every individual, regardless of their location or circumstance, has access to a fair and just legal system. Her Ladyship, the Chief Justice, extends her heartfelt gratitude to all those who have contributed tirelessly to the realization of this project, including the executive arm of government, the District Assembly, community leaders, and residents of Nakpanduri. This courthouse stands as a testament to our commitment to upholding the rule of law and ensuring that justice is not just a distant concept, but a tangible reality for all. It embodies principles of equality, transparency, and impartiality that are the cornerstone of our judicial system, and also demonstrates the unwavering commitment to extend the reach of justice to every corner of the nation. But let us remember that this courthouse is more than just a building. It is a symbol of hope for the people of Bunkpurugu-Nakpanduri, a promise that justice will no longer be out of reach, but will be accessible right here in their own community. It is a symbol of the nation's commitment to the people of Bunkpurugu-Nakpanduri, a promise of justice, a recognition of their inherent rights and dignity. This courthouse represents a promise that justice will no longer be a distant concept, but a tangible reality in the lives of the community. It is a fulfillment of a commitment to bring justice closer to the doorstep, ensuring that access to justice, fairness, and equity under the law. To the judiciary, I would say that as this courthouse is inaugurated, please reaffirm your dedication to upholding these principles in every decision made. To the court staff, let us ensure that every individual who enters these halls is treated with dignity and respect, and that their rights are upheld with integrity and fairness. For all who will work in this building, we must acknowledge the great responsibility that comes with operating within these walls. I implore everyone who works in this building to live up to the values that drive the judicial service of Ghana and to recognize the importance of their jobs. It is the grave responsibility of every person who enters this courtroom, whether as a magistrate, a lawyer, clerk, or in any other role, to defend the values of justice, equity, and integrity. We must never lose sight of the significant influence that what we do can have on the lives of people who come to us for justice. You are requested to act with decency, compassion, and a steadfast dedication to the rule of law. The values of impartiality, Transparency and equality must inform every choice. In the end, this courthouse's success will rely not just on its architectural attributes, but also on the commitment and the moral character of individuals who work there. Thus, let us commit to upholding the greatest levels of professionalism and moral behavior in all that we do. Equality, the cornerstone of our legal system, dictates that every individual, regardless of their background, status, or circumstance, should be treated with the same dignity and respect under the law. It is a principle that demands fairness and justice for all, without discrimination or prejudice. For fostering trust and confidence in our institution. It requires openness, honesty, and accountability in all aspects of our legal proceedings, ensuring that the public can have faith in the integrity of our justice system. Impartiality, perhaps most crucially, ensures that decisions are made based on the merit of each case, free from bias or undue influence. It is a fundamental tenet of justice that demands that judgments be rendered solely on the basis of law and evidence, without favoritism or partiality. If the work of justice is done with attention to these values, first by judges and magistrates, then the judicial service staff and other court users, justice will become accessible to all, and a future of stability and prosperity can be a reality. Thank you, and may God bless Ghana.